Hey, what's up, guys? So today I did a little project. I cleaned and restored my tool shed box, whatever you want to call it. It was looking real bad though, all dirty, rust everywhere. This is the bottom half. I only did the top half for now. Now I didn't do a video on the process of the project. Maybe I'll record the bottom half, show you guys the exact process that I did. I will go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what I did to get that looking like that and not like that. Okay, so the first thing I did, right, is clean all the grease, oil, scum off of it with simple green. Work straight on tools, dirt, rust, oil. I cleaned it, wiped it down. And other people like using other stuff like WD-40, CLR, rubbing alcohol, just other stuff. But simple green to me works wonders, okay? So the first thing I did is I wiped it clean, through and through, inside and out. Second thing I did was give it a sand job. Now I went from 120, 150, 220, 320, and the finish was 2000. So I got it nice and smooth. Next thing I did was I cleaned it again for all the dust. And the final thing was paint job. First I did the primer, did 3 coats, and then I did 3 coats of this red. This red actually is a good match. I tried a few of them and this one looked like a nice little match. And then I cleaned the chrome. That one's all dirty and messed up. Look at that one, sheesh. It's all shiny and pretty. The top half and the bottom half. That's what it looked like. This is what it looks like now. Look at the difference. I'm pretty proud of myself, actually. But yeah, so maybe I'll actually do a video doing the bottom half to actually show you guys exactly the process of what I did to get it look so beautiful. But other than that, let me know what you guys think in the comments.